What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris. I'm my fiance Jenny back at it again. Hope y'all doing good. Hope everything's good. You know, all that good stuff. We're gonna put a GoPro on my fiance's head, and we're gonna hit the Togue. We're just gonna see how she reacts. Because last time we did it, she was getting thrown around the seat.
That was on another road, though.
Yeah, that was on a different road.
But I've been on this road on camera, though.
Have you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, when I first got the alignment, huh? Wait, did I make a video that day?
I made it was in the other camera.
The Sony, right?
Yeah. Is that the Tesla you hit? It has a mark on the side.
I hit it on the other side. Oh, I should probably make a video about that too.
You can do it all in the one video.
Nah, I don't want to throw it in this video. Maybe I'll throw it in this video. But, I'll see. Hopefully you guys can hear us because I put the windows down, but I don't have my mic anymore. I lost it either in this car or my girl's car. I don't know which car I lost it in. It's in one of the cars or it's somewhere. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna hit this back road. I'm gonna put the GoPro on fiance's head.
It'll be familiar because if you've been here from the beginning, we did a video.
Well, we were on the way to.
And you also did one without me too.
Yeah, I mean on this back road, yeah.
Yeah.
But oh, you know what? I haven't done a video on this back road with my GoPro. Wait, never mind. I lied. I did. Never mind. I did. That was when I first got the GoPro. Oh damn! It's about to be a year that I got my GoPro stuff this month. Oh, it's November already.
Oh,
it's November 1st.
You failed.
I failed November already. We'll see y'all on the back road. Damn it. Third year lockout.
The exhaust leak is not helping that.
I know it isn't.
It sounds like fucking bonkos.
Alright. Alright, okay.
It sounds like you're hitting the fucking barrel.
I know. But hey, I don't know if you guys heard. I don't know if you guys heard that, but those were actually like pops.
It would have sounded better without the exhaust.
I know, yeah.
It is the road now?
on this one. Downhill is scarier. Shout out to that guy in front of us. He did move over for us. So not a lot of people do that.
Merry Christmas.
Of course, we had to give my fiance some Starbies, you know. Never do that shit. That's coming around a blind turn. I tried to get it, but I couldn't get it. If biker guy, if you're watching this, probably not. What's up? Save the biddies, right, babe? Save the biddies. Wait, I need your thumbnail right here.
Me?
Yeah. Wait, or have it. Nah, back on this way. There you go. Damn, this car looks hella good. And all the times that I thought about selling it, I mean, I know everybody gets those thoughts about selling their project car, you know, start off fresh or just completely stop doing this car stuff, but don't give up. Don't give up. Just like, because when you're done doing what you're saying you're gonna do, it'll be worth it. It'll pay off. That's when you know it has paid off. All the headaches, pain, empty bank account balances, negative balances, all that has been worth it. And I know in the end this build is gonna be worth it, so that's why I'm gonna stick to it. And I'm gonna definitely get some other cars to build, because this won't be the only car that I build. Stay tuned for that. I don't know when it'll happen, but trust me when I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So I've been meaning to tell you guys about this, but it's because I didn't vlog it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So from my accident, when I put this thing into a dirt wall, so obviously my bumper got all messed up, the brackets went to crap or whatever, but I did these little quick releases. So this one is supposed to be right here because it's a better support. It doesn't flap as much, but I ended up putting it right there because the bolts that it came with were a little bit too small for it to be on the other hole, if that makes any sense. So I had to do it right there. So whenever I get a new front bumper, I'm gonna put them in the right spot. Yeah. Ready? Ready? The tires gripped up.
Dang.
Did you feel it like grip?
Kinda, yeah.
No, these tires are too sticky. Actually, no. I don't make enough power. Nah, damn. All right, it failed.
No, that was our second sign.
I know. The tires gripped up. The cars.
First sign is the person being there.
Yeah. And then the tires gripped up. Oh well.
Oh well.
Bye.
See ya.
Porsche.